the wellness of my being. Like, when I think of well-being, I don't know why, I think of cleanliness, like being clean. I don't know why, but I think of like
good mind,
just,
good heart,
yeah,
good body.
like good, just everything being kind of clean. You're ready, like you don't look like a mess, basically.
Don't look like a mess. You don't feel like a mess.
Like,
it goes right back to being healthy.
We should eat well because as we get older, our bones develop, and if we eat junk food, it won't be strong, it goes weak. So if we eat lots of vitamins, when we develop, it gets stronger.
Do you know when you're the one you went to the gym and you just feel like you're on top of the mountain? Like, I worked out. That's well-being because you're happy. It's about the mind as well and how you feel emotionally.
Exercise is like you're being active and you're not eating junk food, you're avoiding it. Instead you're eating and you're doing a healthy lifestyle.
It's taken on that lifestyle, so you can't really say, I'm going to eat healthy today and then tomorrow I'm going to go eat something pig out that's not good for me. So if you want to pay attention to your health or how your body is inside and out.
Does it mean like taking care of yourself?
I have literally no idea.
I think it means taking care of yourself and making sure
You're taking care of other people.
yeah, like your brother, your little cousin, little sister,
You're like family.
and my dog.
Yeah.
and well-being, it just to me it means kind of you have a good happiness about you. You look.
The more healthy you are, the more happy you are. That is very true.